Honestly, I could just see you with a microphone and just standing there and just singing all your songs, your album, and people just being captivated by your voice with a lovely big band behind you, you know? It's a yes from me.
And if I could give you 2 yeses, I would. It's a yes from me, definitely.
I'll make the 3rd yes.
Come and collect your gold ticket.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
100% yes. Come and take your golden ticket. It's a yes for me.
It's a yes from me.
Grab your ticket. Grab your ticket and we'll see you in the next
Well
round.
done.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
Yes from me.
Well done. Come and collect your gold ticket. It's a yes from me.
Yes from me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come and get your golden ticket.
Thank you.
That's a yes from me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's a yes from me. Grab your golden ticket and I'll see you in the next round.
It's a yes from me.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, bro. Grab your golden ticket.
Nigerian national anthem.
Yeah, man. I felt it. I felt it.
Yeah. Let's vote, guys. Yeah. It's a yes from me. Yes.
Yes from me.
Let's see how far you can go. Come and get your golden ticket. So yes.
You know what? I don't think we need to vote. I don't think we need to do anything.
That's the first time I've ever stood up for.
Thank you for coming.
Just grab the golden ticket and
performed.
we'll see you in the next round, man.
Performed, you connected, you sang well, you didn't go off key, and you sang a Nigerian song.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it, kid.
Bro,
Well done.
yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
That's a yes from me. You got a golden ticket.
Thank you. Come and get your golden ticket.
Just argue. Just take that thing.
You're going, please, please. I'll see you next week. I'll see you.
Thank you so much.
I'll see you.
Thank you so much.
Yo,